Hey, what's up, YouTube? Sorry, hold on. Is that better? Yeah, this is a really good angle. Okay, not too close though. Yeah, I know I need a haircut. Man, what are you gonna do? Well, I really don't care. It's getting bad though. But I wanted to read this quote and explain my thoughts on why I think this quote is helpful for some people. Curiosity is the engine of achievement. Ken Robinson. A breakdown of curiosity. Curiosity is the desire to learn, to understand new things, and to know how they work. To know how things all fall into place like a puzzle. And then, in my opinion, I feel like curiosity helps your brain stay active. Your brain is like a muscle. Continuous exercise helps your brain stay sharp. And then on another note, I also believe that being curious is like the blueprint to solving a problem or achieving your goal. You stay curious, you stay wanting to learn, you stay improving. That's how it is. Always stay curious. Stay happy, stay ambitious, and stay resilient. Peace.